Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be recording 5 easy scooter tricks to learn. Okay, so the first trick you're gonna learn is the bunny hop. So the bunny hop is 3 easy steps. Step 1. When you do the bunny hop, make sure when you crouch down to lean back. Step 2. When you are doing the bunny hop, after you lean back, make sure to jump off your back wheel, just like that. Step 3. When you pull back after you jump so that you don't land on your back wheel and fall backwards, what you want to do is push your bars in front of you and bring in your knees, kind of tuck up.
Okay guys, for the second trick, it's a 180. A 180 should look like this. Okay, so how you do a 180 is first you have to know how to bunny hop. Then, as you're going into the 180, you want to turn, and as you're bunny hopping, look over your shoulder to get the rotation.
Okay, so trick number 3, the tail whip. Step 1. You need to make sure you can bunny hop off the back wheel. It's way easier. So the next step, make sure that when you go to flick the deck around, what you need to do, have your toe hanging over the deck a little bit. So that when you flick, so that you're not like pulling backwards, you can push your toe over the edge and throw it. So just practice flicking. Step 3, make sure you are comfortable whipping the deck around.
Okay, we're on the 4th trick, which is a curb stall. So basically the steps to a curb stall are first to just jump up onto the curb, and then second you want to make sure that your back wheel is up against the curb, which mine isn't, so I'm going to scoot forward a little bit. And then after that you're going to use your back wheel, like you're going to pull up, use your back wheel to help launch you backwards, and then fakie, and then try and half cab out. And then that's how you do a curb stall.
So now, the 5th and final trick to this video is the 1-foot manual. The 1-foot manual is super simple. All you have to do is lean back onto your back wheel and have 1 foot off. Make sure your heel is against your brake. It's way easier than when your foot's like way up here or right in the middle. It's best if your heel is against your brake and you're leaning back with arms straight. You don't want them bent, because then you'll be going like this. You want them straight, so that you're doing the most control with your feet. So when your wheel comes back, you want to stick your foot super far up forward. When your wheel comes down low to the ground, put your leg as far back as you need to get yourself back in a certain area. You want to stay within here and here when doing a 1-foot manual. It is okay to bend your knee. Now, this is exactly what a 1-foot manual should look like. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!